If you're wondering just how big the Milky Way is, the truth is, compared to the entire universe, it's actually just a tiny speck of dust. That's because our Milky Way is only a small part of the local group of galaxies, which is itself part of the Virgo supercluster. In the distant universe, billions of light years away, you might not see planets like Earth or stars as bright as our Sun. Instead, what will fill your vision are incredibly vast, filament-like structures. This is what astronomers call the cosmic web. You could also say these are built from millions, tens of millions, or even hundreds of millions of massive galaxies like the Milky Way, forming cosmic city walls. If you were to fly continuously outward from the Milky Way, you'd eventually see the universe looking like a fishing net. In November 2013, Hungarian and American astronomers, using data from gamma-ray bursts observed with various telescopes, including the Swift satellite and the Fermi Gamma-ray Space Telescope, observed the largest known structure in the universe, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. It's also a gigantic system of countless galaxies bound together by gravity. But the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall stretches across the universe with an astonishing diameter of about 10 billion light-years. What does that even mean? Let me put it this way. Imagine you boarded a modern spaceship that could reach Earth's orbital speed, about 8 kilometers per second, and traveled continuously for over 2,000 years. You would have only traveled 0.0006 light-years. So you can imagine how difficult it is for humanity to even cross 1 light-year, let alone the 10 billion light-year scale of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. However, because this structure is so incredibly huge, its formation remains a mystery. After all, it might involve dark matter, which humanity hasn't even directly detected yet. From Earth, the core of the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall is mainly located between the constellations Hercules and Corona Borealis, the Northern Hemisphere. It's also about 10 billion light-years from Earth. This means that even if you piloted a spaceship traveling at the speed of light, which can circle Earth 7.5 times per second, and didn't account for the universe's expansion, it would still take 10 billion years to reach it. From this perspective, if you placed our Milky Way inside it, it would appear as tiny as a speck of dust. However, our Milky Way doesn't belong to the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. Instead, it's part of the Pisces Cetus supercluster complex. Although it's only on a scale of 1 billion light-years, it, along with the Sloan Great Wall and others, are also large-scale cosmic webs. They crisscross through immense space, together forming the entire observable universe, which has a diameter of about 93 billion light-years. And beyond this range, there's likely even vaster cosmic space. So it's easy to imagine that on a sufficiently grand scale, everything, including the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, will seem insignificant. What then is all the fame and fortune we strive for with all our might in our human lives? What does it really amount to?